Rohit Chadda ji, President and CEO, Times Network, esteemed guests, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Our automobile industry is the most important industry for the country because this is the industry which is the fourth largest economy. Now the industry is our number third. Previously, our number was 7. The size of the industry, number 1 is the USA, that is 78 lakh crore. China is 49 lakh crore. And India is 22 lakh crore. We just surpassed Japan, and now our number is third. This is a very important industry because this is the industry which is up till now creates jobs for 4 crore youth in our country. The industry which have already import of 3.5 lakh crore. And the most important thing is, this is the industry which is giving GST as a revenue to the state and central government, which is the highest in the country. We are getting revenue from this. At the same time, this is the industry which is very important for our economic growth. And the mission for all of us to make this industry number 1 in the world. The way in which industry is developing, I am very much confident. In due course of time, we will be number 1 in the world. Already it is electric, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, LNG, CNG, even for hydrogen. The way in which the new startup and industry is working on research, new innovations, new solutions, and what are the successful practices we have of world standard. On the basis of that, I am very much confident that the future of this industry is very good. Now today, you just consider the designs, the quality, everything is really, really very, very good. And that is the reason that every time we are going to increase our export. Even in the two-wheeler industry, the Bajaj, TVS, Hero, Honda, all the two-wheeler industry, they have 50% of their production as export. And this is very important, that this is the industry which is going to fulfill the dream of our Prime Minister to make India as the 4th largest economy in the world. Now, today, I am really giving my special congratulations to all of you because the way in which your research and your new designs, your quality, your standards, it is really, really very, very excellent. And that is the reason that in the whole world, the industry is very much having great respect. At the same time, every time industry is going to increase. Particularly, the ministry has started Bharat NCAP star rating. It's a healthy competition among the automakers to provide more safe technologies. Now all cars in India are now being made with world-class safety standards, received global award. I am very much happy that today the manufacturer across the world, they are now testing their cars in India, in testing centers. This is to be reputation we have. Now, मैं आप सबको अपील करूंगा कि जैसे एसी और जिसमें सभी इसमें जो हमारी स्टार रेटिंग है उसको देखकर अब लोग उसको फ्रीज में और स्टार में स्टार रेटिंग देखते हैं, वैसे अब कार में भी स्टार रेटिंग देखने लगे हैं. और मुझे ये जो अवेयरनेस है ये बहुत अच्छा इंडिकेशन है. अभी ट्रक के लिए हमने एसी केबिन मैंडेटरी की है. बस बॉडी कोड को हमने पूरी तरह से बदल दिया है, जो वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड का हम करने जा रहे हैं, और जिसके कारण मुझे विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में बस कोड के कारण हमारी बसेस वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड की होगी और निश्चित रूप से इससे हमारा एक्सपोर्ट भी बढ़ेगा. जो ट्रक बॉडी कोड है उसको भी हमने फाइनलाइज किया है और 1 महीने के अंदर उसको भी नोटिफाई कर रहे हैं. The compulsory ABS for two-wheelers, anti-lock braking system, जिसमें 45% of the deaths involved in two-wheelers, जिसका ये कारण है, उसके बारे भी हमने निर्णय किया है. The road engineering हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी समस्या थी. The four important things which are very important as far as road safety is concerned. One is automobile engineering, second is road engineering, third is enforcement, and fourth is we need to educate the people about the law. And these are the more important things which are related with the road safety. And today we are already identifying the black spots, and by which we are already taking preventive measures and spending 40,000 crore for improving these black spots, by which we can avoid the accidents. To involve IIT students in road safety audits, we are taking help from them. And 77 high fatality stretches have been identified on national highway across the 15 states. Work is being undertaken to reduce the number of fatalities on these stretches under the Zero Fatality Corridor initiative. Already I have received the report, and that report indicates about 100 districts where maximum road accidents are there. There are some national highway, some state highways, some district highway, municipal highways. Now we have an authentic record by which we can find out who are the responsible for that. And now we are also in the process of how to improve that, all problems which are basically responsible for road accidents. The Sadak Suraksha Abhiyan behavioral change campaign designed by Prasun Joshi and Amitabh Bachchan. We are already trying to educate the people by this campaign. Already you listen this anthem of Shankar Mahadevan in 10 languages is already translated, and in 22 scheduled languages already the work is finalized. My ministry will execute a nationwide mass level communication campaign on digital media. At the same time, the active safety system to be implemented in heavy vehicles, that is electronic stability control, heavy braking होने पर गाड़ी को स्थिर रखना is very important. Advanced driver assistance system, जो 12 प्रकार की टेक्नोलॉजी है जिसमें ड्राइवर को एकदम ब्रेक मारने से, कोलिजन से बचाया जाता है. द लेन डिपार्चर वार्निंग सिस्टम, अगर गाड़ी अपने लेन से दूर चली जाए तो ड्राइवर को अलार्म देकर गाड़ी को सही लेन में रखना है. और ड्राइवर को ड्राउजीनेस आता है तो सिस्टम ऐसी है कि ड्राइवर को नींद आने पर अलार्म बजाकर ड्राइवर को अलर्ट करेगा. These are the very important thing as far as road safety is concerned. And the most important thing is, that is the three important pillars of the society: ethics, economy, ecology and environment. This industry is very important. Being a transport minister, the 40% of air pollution is because of this industry. And that is the reason that we have to take it very seriously. I always talking about alternative fuel and biofuel, the ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, LNG, electric, CNG, and hydrogen. I feel that this is also an economic challenge. We have the import of the fossil fuel costing 22 lakh crore. And this is the appropriate time that we need to find out the solution, that how we can reduce these imports of fossil fuel. That is not only economic challenge, but air pollution point of view, this is also important. So now we are developing the technology on the basis of Jal, Jameen, Jungle and Janwar, by which I am particularly from the agriculture field. And now we are making ethanol from sugarcane juice, molasses, broken rice, corn. And because of we are making ethanol from the corn, previously the price of the corn was 1200 rupees per quintal. But because when we started, now it goes to 2600 rupees per quintal. And this year, the corn area in UP, Bihar, in many states is increased 3 times more. And that is going to give a remunerative prices for the farmer. At the same time, we are sugar surplus, wheat surplus, rice surplus, and surplus of food grain also is one of the problem. So diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector it is very important for the country. At the same time, it is import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. I'm really happy that our sectors are now doing basically for aviation fuel, sustainable aviation fuel. Now the Parali, rice straw, well known. In Panipat, Indian Oil has started one project where they are making 1 lakh liter of ethanol from that and 78,000 ton per year sustainable aviation fuel and 150 ton as a biobitumen. We have 400 projects in the process, out of which 80 already completed, where we are making bio-CNG from rice straw. In Punjab and Haryana, we have 220 lakh ton of rice straw. And because of this rice straw, parallel burning, we have a lot of pollution in Delhi. But now the important philosophy, particularly which is very important for all of you, the one is knowledge to wealth. That is innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices. We name it as knowledge that you are doing, the good design, good product, using the technology in it. And that is to be knowledge, convert into wealth. And the second is conversion of waste into wealth. We have already used 80 lakh ton of municipal waste of Delhi in the road construction. We reduced the height of Ghazipur, that mountain, which is how the municipal garbage was there, by 7 meters. So now we are already working in Delhi area, where we are working project more than 1 lakh crore in the process. And now we are planning to add more 40,000 crore projects. We have just built up this Dwarka Express Highway, UR2, this Kalindi Kunj Road, really the Delhi-Dehradun Express Highway, and by where we are using this municipal waste in road construction. At the same time, I am very much happy that the Parali, which is really a crucial problem as far as air pollution is concerned, we have taken a lot of initiative. Even we are making biobitumen from rice straw, Parali. And we have successfully implemented one project in Nagpur-Jabalpur highway, 1 kilometer using biobitumen. And it is proved to be better than petroleum bitumen. So the way in which they are taking this initiative, I am hopeful that in due course of time, we are going to reduce the pollution. I will request you the important thing for the future. The futuristic technology and futuristic vision for development is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the fuel for the future. It is to be most important challenge for all of you. You are doing excellent job, but you need to have more concentration and giving more priority for hydrogen. The 70% less carbon monoxide emissions and 4 and 5% better fuel economy. Flag of the world's first large-scale hydrogen truck trial. My department has already started. We have already allotted 500 crore for this project. Trials on 37 vehicles will be run on 10 routes. The Tata Motors, IOCL, Reliance, NTPC, Ashok Leyland, HPCL, BPCL, Volvo and ANET have participated. And 9 hydrogen filling stations will be set up. National Green Hydrogen Mission target 5 million metric tons per year by 2030, saving of 1 lakh crore fossil fuel import, and 50 million metric tons of CO2 will be reduced. And total investment is 8 lakh crores, and it is employment opportunity for 6 lakh jobs. And now today we are the importer of the energy. But by making successfully, the hydrogen is the fuel for the future, and I am confident by making this, we are going to be importer of the energy, being the exporter of the energy. Now the 10 routes of the hydrogen trial we have started already. The Greater Noida, Delhi, Agra, filling station at Greater Noida, Bhubaneswar, Konark, Puri, where filling station at Bhubaneswar, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, the HRS is Vadodara, Shahibad, Faridabad and Delhi, HRS is Faridabad, Pune, Mumbai, HRS Mumbai-Pune Expressway, Jamshedpur, Kalinganagar, HRS Balasore, Odisha, Tiruvananthapuram, Kochi, HRS is Tiruvananthapuram, Kochi, Edapalli, HRS Kochi, Jamnagar Ahmedabad, HRS Rajkot, Visakhapatnam, Bayavaram, HRS is Bayavaram. So these 10 projects already, 10 routes have started. I am really happy that we have got appointed to launch 3 trucks from Tata Motors. One truck is with the hydrogen fuel cell and two trucks on IC engine where we can use hydrogen. So today this is also the important thing for the country, and I will request you that this is the time that people like you need to have more research, because transport of hydrogen is one of the challenge, and at the same time the hydrogen filling station, the capital cost is very high. We have already started the driving training centers. We have shortage of 22 lakh skilled drivers. 1,600 institutions will be set up in a 3-tier system. There is a capital investment of 4,500 crore. Employment generation 15 lakh. And additional grant of 1.5 crore for DTC with fitness station clusters. And this is to be very important for the country, because training of drivers is very important, by which we can save the life of the people. This sector is very important. The technology, innovations, we need to have cost effective, quality-wise with international standard. At the same time, the fuel efficiency and the biofuel and alternative fuel is really very important for our country. At the same time, in the world market also, there is very awareness about the air pollution. So already we are implementing this Euro 6 emission norms. Today we are thinking about Euro 6, Euro 6, 7. But now in a situation, our research, using of new technology, innovations, and practically it should be cost effective. And that is to be important challenge for the industry. I am really happy that today all stakeholders are here. Your contribution for nation building, your contribution for creating jobs, your contribution for our export, your contribution for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and at the same time your contribution getting more revenue for the government is really very important. Today government is with you. We will support you for developing your industry, and as a stakeholder, we will come together, think together and work together and make Indian automobile industry size of at least more than 75 lakh crore in due course of time. It is not an impossible task. It is difficult, but it is not an impossible task. The people like you who are working day and night and doing excellent research, and lot of your designs and quality that indicates that you have got the potential to make this industry of world standard. Once again, for this Auto Day, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you for your great future. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
आप सभी का साथ, आप सभी की जोरदार तालियां। I will request all of you to please come together for a group photo opportunity. With this, India is on the right path under Sir's leadership and his guidance. Ek baar dobara se I will request you all to please pour in some energy here.